PFBR criticality. India's indigenously developed prototype fast breeder reactor at Kalpakkam achieved criticality, officially launching the second stage of the nation's nuclear program. Criticality refers to the state of a nuclear reactor when the nuclear fission change reaction is self-sustaining. The PFBR is the vital bridge in stage 2 of India's third stage nuclear program designed by Dr. Homi J. Bhabha. Stage 1 PHWR use natural uranium to produce electricity and plutonium 229 as a byproduct. Stage 2 FBR current milestone use the plutonium from stage 1 to breed more fuel than it consumes. It converts uranium 238 into more plutonium and will eventually convert thorium into uranium 233. Stage 3 thorium reactor, the ultimate goal of using India's vast thorium reserve, among the world's largest, to provide clean energy from 4 centuries. Gaganyaan integrated air drop test, ISRO second IADT to validate safe crew modeling landing. Mission aim to send 3 Indian astronauts to LEO 400 किलोमीटर for 3 days. First crewed flight target 27. Chandrayaan 5 LUPEX ISRO Jaja lunar South Pole mission launch on Jaja H324L with ISRO lander plus Japanese rover aims to study water ice volatile. ESA and NASA instrument on board, part of India's roadmap to human moon landing by 2040. ISRO began launch site assessment in Japan. Mission Mitra mapping of interoperable trait and response assessment, first of its kind human space flight. Analog mission launched by ISRO in Leh, Ladakh to study astronaut psychologically, physiologically and team response for Gaganyaan. Meghalaya signed MOU with Starlink India to pilot high-speed LEO satellite internet, third state after Maharashtra and Gujarat. Larsen and Turbo signed long-term pact with Japan's ITOCHU Corporation to supply 3 lakh ton green ammonia annually. Deakin University Australia and Telangana signed a strategic MOU in Hyderabad to establish the ICOM Deakin Hub for Research in Intelligent Technology and Innovation. ICOM Dhriti focused on AI research and innovation. India's first 3D semiconductor packaging unit, foundation stone laid at Info Valley, Bhubaneswar. Google Cloud India AI Hub, foundation stone laid in Visakhapatnam to make AI Patnam by 2028. Ashwini Vaishnav inaugurated Atmanirbhar high-speed bullet train manufacturing plant Aditya at BEML, Bangalore. First prototype expected in 27. Amravati Quantum Reference Facility, India's first open access quantum hub, inaugurated in Andhra Pradesh to boost indigenous quantum technology and deep tech innovation. India's first semiconductor fabrication plant will set up at Dholera, Gujarat by Tata Semiconductor. Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology inaugurated on X-band dual polarization Doppler weather radar at Mahabaleshwar under mission Mausam to track rainfall, storm, fog and wind in real time. IIT Madras with MIT launched indigenous silicon photonic solution, a major step towards self-reliance in advanced electronics. AI powered NAMA 112, Bangalore Police launched multilingual AI emergency response to overcome language barrier and improves assistance. Abhay AI chatbot, CBI introduced chatbot to help citizens spot fake digital arrest notice and curb cyber fraud. Lithium ion battery recycling facility, Rocklink India set up integrated recycling unit in Uttar Pradesh for battery and rare earth to boost clean energy. Kudenga dengue vaccine. India's approved Tekdas tetravalent vaccine age 4 से 60 protecting against all 4 dengue serotype. IIT Bombay Leaf to Fuel Tech developed biomass gasification system converting dry leaves into clean cooking gas, reducing LPG use by up to 40%. Defense and security. India's launched Sachi, the first next generation offshore patrol vessel at Goa Shipyard Limited. Operation Him Setu by Indian Army Trishakti Corps that rescued 1400 stranded individuals in North Sikkim following a bridge collapse and landslide near the Indian-China border. INS Aridhaman inducted as India's third nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine. INS Arihant and INS Arighat. DRDO conducted maiden salvo launch the Nasam SR Naval anti-ship missile short range. Pakistan successfully tested indigenous Taimur air-launched anti-ship cruise missile. Exercise. Name participation location type of exercise. Exercise Cyclone 4 India Egypt ANSA Egypt bilateral joint special forces. Exercise Dust Link 7th edition India Uzbekistan Namangan Uzbekistan bilateral military exercise. Exercise Pragati India plus 11 country Umrah Meghalaya multilateral military exercise. DBEX India Sri Lanka Colombo Sri Lanka bilateral naval diving exercise. Economy. India's global economy rank according to IMF World Economic Outlook 26. India's leap to the world's sixth largest economy overtaken by Japan and UK. Reason GDP base year revision lowered India's nominal GDP estimated by 4%. Rupee depreciated 11% against US dollar, reducing GDP size in dollar term. Iran conflict, rising oil price, inflation impacting growth outlook. Moody's cut India's financial year 27 growth forecast to 6% due to Strait of Hormuz disruption. India-China trade. China become India's largest trading partner in 25-26, surpassing US with bilateral trade of USD 151.1 billion, record USD 112.6 billion trade deficit for India. World Bank cut India's financial year 27 GDP growth forecast to 6.6 amid West Asian crisis. Amul become the first FMCG company in India to cross 1 lakh crore 1 trillion turnover in financial year 26. India's recorded its highest ever wind energy addition of 6.05 gigawatt in financial year 25-26, or 46% year-on-year rise. India is now ranked 4th globally in wind power capacity after China, USA, Germany, leading state Gujarat, followed by Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. India's solar capacity rose from 2.82 gigawatt 14 से 150.26 gigawatt March 26 with a target of 500 gigawatt non-fossil capacity by 2030, ranking 3rd globally in renewable energy. India has launched its first annual survey of incorporated service sector enterprises ASISSE through the NSO under MOSPI to build a comprehensive database of the country incorporated service sector. Agricultural Zonal Conference 26 launched from Jaipur to shift India toward agroclimatic zonal planning and introduce a national farmer ID for digitized personalized support. India's e-commerce ecosystem projected to grow from 90 billion now to 250 billion by 2030. Commerce Frontier Report. Mission Saksham. RBI launched Mission Saksham, a nationwide capacity building program for urban cooperative bank to strengthen governance, resilience and professional standard. Andhra Pradesh will launch 13,000 crore mushroom mission to raise production to 67,500 ton. Mundra Port, Kutch, Gujarat, emerged as India's largest automobile export hub. Antariksh Venture Capital Fund, a SEBI-registered category 2 AIF with 1,005 crore corpus, has been operationalized to fund and scale India's private space tech startup from financial year 27.